Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a Discord invite link for your server. So let's get straight into it. You can do this on the Discord app or the web-based version. The steps are exactly the same, so it's all down to personal preference. But in today's example, I'll be doing this on the web-based version of Discord. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Discord and log into your account. And then once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do is come to the server that you want to create an invite link for. So I've got an example server set up here on the left hand side. So all you want to do is give that a click. And if it's quite a new server, if it's brand new, what's going to happen, you're going to have some options and you'll see at the top it says invite your friends. So you can either click that one, or if you look to the left, there's actually a blue button which says invite people. Or you can click the drop down box at the top and click on to invite people there. So once that's happened, you're going to get a box come up which looks like this, and you're going to get a list of all your friends which you can invite instantly. Or what you can do is send a server invite link, which is actually down here. And you can actually edit this as well. So if you look underneath, it's got a blue edit invite link button. All you want to do is give that a click. And you can set some settings for the invite link, so you can choose for it to expire after 30 minutes, an hour, 7 days, never, etc, etc. So you can just go ahead and choose one of those options. And you can choose the number of users that link can be used. So if you only wanted to send it to a friend, and you didn't want them to send it to other people to invite them, you would just set one use. So that when they click onto that link, that link then becomes invalid after it's been used, if that makes sense. Once that's done, all you want to do is click on to generate a new link. And also you can see there's a temporary membership button as well, so you can turn that on or off for this link as well. But once you're happy with that, just click on the blue generate a new link button, and you'll see the link's going to change slightly, this back end of letters down here. And then all you want to do is click on to copy. That's going to copy the link, and then you can just go ahead and send that across like so by pressing Ctrl and V or right clicking and hitting paste, and that's going to send the invite link across to whoever you want to invite to your server. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.